Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use this product right here. This is actually the Wahl ear, nose, and eyebrow precision trimmer, and this will be a full tutorial. So once again, how to use the Wahl ear, nose, and eyebrow precision trimmer, and this will be a full tutorial but also an easy tutorial. Let's get right into the video. So as you can see right here, this is one of the trimmers that I got with my Wahl Deluxe hair cutting and trimming kit, and it is a precision trimmer. So as you can see right here, it's really easy to use. It fits in your hand very easily, and it has this precision edge on the top. Now let's take a second to take a look at the precision edge over here. There's actually someone walking their dog in front of my car, and they're staring at me wondering what I'm doing, probably because they can't see the camera. So you might see them passing on my right side, and they might look like what's going on in this car, but they don't know that I'm filming this awesome how-to tutorial / review. Okay, so they're passing right now. We should be good to go, and you probably just saw them walking in the background. Now back to the business over here. It was a little bit awkward, but essentially to turn it on, all that you got to do is turn it to the side, and it turns on. To turn it off, you turn it back to the center. There's an on over here. Okay, there's an on with the line, the center's off right here with the circle, and this is the battery compartment. So when you turn it to the other direction, it opens up and you can get the battery out. So you don't even need to recharge this. It just takes regular batteries. One regular AA battery. Really cool. Makes it really convenient to use. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it on, and we're gonna use it to sort of trim down my eyebrows a bit. I'm probably gonna do it looking in this mirror over here because I'm getting too much sun. I can't really see, and I don't want to mess it up because right now I'm on my lunch break at work. So if I turn it on, I'm not at work, I'm obviously pulled over on a side street, but if I turn it on and I mess up my eyebrows, all of my coworkers have to see me for the next 4 or 5 hours like this. So we're gonna avoid that. So turn it on, very simple. I actually opened it, I do apologize. We're gonna close it and we're gonna turn it on. Now these blades are now moving, okay? I'm gonna look over here. I'm gonna take one end of it. You can use either end. There's two different blades, as you can see over here, two blades. One on this side, one on this side. I'm gonna take one end, and we're just gonna go and we're gonna trim the center of my eyebrow over here, just like that. So what we've done now is we've sort of shaved down. I had a little bit of a unibrow. I had a little bit too much hair here in between. Not too much, but for my liking. And I trimmed it down. Very simple. I purposely didn't pluck this or trim this for like a couple of weeks just so I could have some hair there. Very simple. You can also use it to trim other things. So let's say I wanted to do precision on my nose over here, right? Just take it and kind of go in a little circle like that. Just like that. Okay? Other side. Just like that. Just like that. My wife told me the other day, she said, honey, she doesn't call me honey, I'm just kidding. But she told me I have a couple nose hairs that are a little too long, sticking out. She told me nicely, maybe you should trim them. So I said, perfect, because I was going to make this video in a few days. So it worked out perfectly. You can also turn it on and use it for your ears. I actually have lots of ear hair. All of my uncles and my dad have a significant amount of ear hair. So I kind of knew that I was going to have this, not problem, but this thing that I got to deal with when I was a kid. But basically take it and just go along the edge, the outer edge and the surface area of your ear, and it just takes off all of the hair that are growing there, okay? All the hair that's growing there. Now, essentially, that's how to use it. Really easy to do. The best part about it is that as long as you don't mind a couple of small hairs lying around wherever you're using it, you can basically use this anywhere. Doesn't need to be recharged. So for myself, I'm going to probably leave this in the glove compartment of my car. And then whenever I notice I got a couple hairs here, couple hairs here, couple hairs here, I'm going to take it out, boom, and done. I have another one at home that I use at home, but I wanted a spare one to keep, on the go in case I notice like, oh wait, I have a couple hairs here and I'm doing a close-up video like this. I don't want the whole world to see all of my hairs between my eyebrows. Although I really don't care, to be honest with you. Who am I kidding? You know the way I am. I really don't care. I just film videos in my pajamas. Doesn't matter. I just get them done. But that's how to use it. Turn it to one side to turn it on. Middle is off. Other side is to open it up to get the battery out, to replace the battery. Very simple. The battery goes in this orientation right here. And if you have a different one, it might be slightly different, but really using it is going to be the same idea. Turn it on. You can use it wherever you need to use it, okay? And turn it off. Very simple. It also comes with an eyebrow length tool that I can put on top that will basically get my eyebrows to be a certain length, but I like them like this. I just go down the middle every, month, 2 months. That's what I do to maintain them. Obviously, I can, trim them better, but for my style, I just quickly down the middle, 2 seconds. That's how I maintain mine. But it's up to you. Whatever you want to do is your preference. That is how to use the Wahl ear, nose, and eyebrow precision trimmer. A full tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.